Hi there, today I am going to show you how to create this effect on fruits. So without any further ado, let's jump into the Photoshop. I have opened the fruit on which I will create the effect in Photoshop. To create the effect, it is best if the subject has a white background. If not, the subject will need to be cut out and add to a white background. My subject is transparent, so I created a white background underneath it. Now, I am converting the subject layer into a smart object and making it smaller. Centerline the subject. Press Ctrl Alt Shift E together to merge everything into a new layer. Then go to the effects panel, inside stylize, select extrude. Here, set the size value to 5, depth value to 120 and hit OK and wait for a moment. Inside object selection tool, select magic wand tool and set the tolerance value to 50 and check both of these. Then left click on the white background to select the background. Go to the select panel and select inverts. Now subject is selected, press Ctrl Z to copy the subject to a new layer. Our effect is ready. Since the subject is now a transparent background, we can use it in any design. Now I am going to create another effect using the same method. Now I will show you the effects by creating a demo design so you can get an idea of what the final design will look like. Finally, flashing some text like a poster. So that is it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Till then, take care.